Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the draft envelope retention policy on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select settings. Now scroll down and on your left side select document retention. Now select envelope retention policy. Now scroll down and tick this button right here called the set the draft envelope retention policy for this account, and you can also keep for this many days like 30, 60, however you like. You just want to set it, and after that you just need to select on the save button which is on the bottom left corner. After doing this, now you guys have successfully set up the draft envelope retention policy for this DocuSign account of yours. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.